अलग अलग ग्रुप्स बना करके क्लोजली अपनी जो टेररिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी उसका प्रचार प्रसार करते थे। डेमोक्रेसी भारत में ना हो, शरीयत लागू हो, इसके लिए इन लोगों के द्वारा बहुत सारा कंटेंट क्रिएट किया जाता था।
The Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad ATS on Wednesday said they have arrested 4 members of an alleged terror module of Al-Qaeda in the Indian subcontinent from 4 cities in 3 states: Gujarat, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. On June 10th this year, ATS Deputy Superintendent of Police Harsh Upadhyay was informed that 5 Instagram accounts and their associated accounts were being allegedly used to spread false and provocative statements against the nation, attract local youth towards terrorist organizations and their radical followers to spread unrest and terrorist tendencies. According to the ATS, these accounts have been actively promoting videos of banned terrorist organization AQIS on Instagram and other social media platforms. They are inciting the followers of AQIS to carry out religious violence or terrorist attacks in the name of Ghazwa-e-Hind and are responsible for spreading this content against India by promoting armed violence against the democratically elected government. A team was subsequently formed to identify the persons controlling these social media accounts and their associates, said the ATS.
ये जो 5 अकाउंट हैं, ये अलकायदा जो एक प्रोस्क्राइब टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इसकी विचारधारा का प्रचार प्रसार देश में कर रहे हैं। बहुत लोगों को धार्मिक आधार पे डेमोक्रेसी के विरुद्ध, भारत के विरुद्ध इनकी उश्केरनीजनक जो साहित्य है वो इन पे बारंबार शेयर कर रहे हैं। इन 5 जो इंस्टा अकाउंट हैं इनको रिजॉल्व करवाया गया और इसमें से पता चला कि ये मुजाहिदीन 1 और मुजाहिदीन 3 एक ही आरोपी के द्वारा यूज किया जाता है। टोटल 4 आरोपियों को आइडेंटिफाई किया गया। इन चारों लोगों के ऊपर थोड़ी वॉच रखी गई। फिजिकल तरीके से भी इनके मूवमेंट और इनकी एक्टिविटीज के बारे में चेक किया गया, तो पाया गया कि न केवल सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर परंतु ये इनकी जो मूवमेंट है फिजिकली भी वो भी शंकास्पद है। इसके आधार पे एक बड़ी टीम का निर्माण किया गया। 4 डिफरेंट टीम्स बनाई गई। ये टीम्स अहमदाबाद, मोडासा, दिल्ली और नोएडा गई।
Now, the investigation revealed that Instagram handle F4RDEN_03 was operated by Mohammad Fardeen, son of Mohammad Rais and resident of Gulmohar Tenements, Fatehbadi in Ahmedabad. Further, one Shariat_Y_Shahadat handle was run by Mohammad Faiq, who is the son of Mohammad Rizwan and a resident of Delhi. 2 other handles, Mujahideen 1 and Mujahideen.3, were controlled by Zishan Ali, who is also a resident of Delhi NCR. While the handle Saifullah_Mujah_Hid 313 was operated by Saifullah Qureshi, who is the son of Muhammad Rafiq and a resident of Aravali in Gujarat. 4 teams were formed, and between July 21st and 22nd, these teams apprehended all 4 accused from Ahmedabad and Aravali in Gujarat, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. And this was with the assistance of central agencies, support from the Delhi Special Cell and Delhi Police and the UP ATS and UP Police, sources said to the Indian Express. During a detailed on-site examination of the items recovered from the possession of the arrested persons, further details came to light, said a statement from the ATS. From Fardeen Sheikh, investigators found AQIS literature promoting jihad against India for its recent Operation Sindoor and a sword. A video on his mobile phone showed him waving the sword while chanting, quote unquote, "This was the only thing missing, now it's complete, Allahu Akbar." Alleged investigative and inflammatory video content on the topics as well as content promoting religious violence or terrorist attacks were also found on the Instagram accounts of the 4 accused. The accused alleged coordinated on Instagram to disseminate inflammatory and provocative content, including jihadi propaganda material, violent videos, and incitement fatwas for armed rebellion like Ghazwa-e-Hind to engage others in such activities. This is what the ATS said. The aim was to allegedly incite violence by targeting the institutions of Indian democratic governance. Another accused, Mohammad Faiq, was also found collaborating with Pakistani Instagram accounts like Gujar_sub111 and M Salahuddin Siddiqui 1360. Based on the said evidence, the Gujarat ATS registered a case under relevant sections of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita against the 4 accused and initiated legal proceedings. A local court also granted a 14-day police remand of all 4. According to the ATS, as part of the investigation, information has been sought about 25 other Instagram accounts, adding that 62 accounts are also under the scanner. Further investigation into the matter is underway. That's all for now. For more such news updates and explainers, stay tuned to the Internet Express. Thank you so much for watching.